Okay, so I wanted to do a series with no cook or low cooked tofu meals so that it is very easy and quick for everybody to prepare. I know it's almost summertime, so you want to be spending less time in the kitchen, but also, you know, I am somebody who, again, when I'm hungry, I like to be eating within 15 minutes. So these are some recipes that are really going to help with that. My next recipe is going to be a Korean, although you'll see a lot of variations in Chinese cooking as well, of this no-cook soft tofu with a spicy kind of like sesame type sauce. So it's really easy because you make the sauce on the side, you don't cook anything, you plop out the soft tofu and then you put the sauce over. So it's quick and easy for those of you who don't like to cook but want maximum impact for your meals. So I hope you all enjoy. So I'll walk you through some of the ingredients, but essentially you just put everything together in a bowl and you mix it together. So it's very simple. I made some kind of like healthy substitutions here. So instead of sugar, I put in date syrup. And then instead of sesame oil, I put in some tahini, and both of them are really, really good. So you kind of just want to mix everything together and then taste for flavor. Like, do you want to add in a little bit more soy sauce, a little bit more of a sweetener? That's really up to you. But what I'll do sometimes is I'll actually add a tablespoon of water towards the end, just because the sauce is it's actually quite pungent. It's a very concentrated, you know, like straight soy sauce, straight chili powder. So not only does the water kind of give you a little bit more sauce, which is great, but it takes off some of that edge initially. This looks spicy, but the Korean chili powder is not spicy. Trust me, I can't handle spicy food. So this was really, really good. And of course, my typical tricks of making it look extra nice, extra fancy, a little extra spring onions, and then also some newly toasted sesame seeds up on top. There's a reason that I call for silken tofu on this, because it is just like, you want it to be soft. You want it to just kind of melt in to the rice. And of course, all that extra sauce is great because you can just you can have a bowl of rice, which can also be frozen as well. So you can put this dish together in minutes, no cooking. So I hope you all enjoy. Definitely check me out on the Instagram, support the channel if you want. And I will see you all again next time. Bye.